Hi everyone, Slangel with Slangel Designs back today. Today we are going to take a quick look at the treble or triple crochet stitch. Depending on the pattern you're using, sometimes the terminology that will be used is triple crochet and abbreviated TC, or it could be treble crochet and abbreviated as TR. So depending on your pattern, just take note of that. Once again, I'm going to use worsted weight yarn, which is a number 4 weight yarn, and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, just for the sake of making the stitches a little bigger for you to see a little better. But typically with the worsted weight, it'll recommend a crochet hook size on the wrapper of your yarn, or depending on the pattern that you're doing. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to start off with a chain of 14 for the demonstration purposes. So let's see. And once again, for a chain, you put your slip knot on your hook. You're going to chain over and just pull through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So with the treble crochet or I prefer to call it triple. It's just years ago when I was learning how to do this, my grandmother, when she was teaching me, she called it a triple. So anyway, what you're going to do for that is you're going to yarn over twice, and then for your starting one, you're going to go into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and make sure you get the two loops. Yarn over and pull through, so you now have 4 chains on your hook, 4 loops. Then, as the name implies, triple, you're going to go yarn over, pull through 2, yarn split there, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So you've yarned over and pulled through 3 times, hence the triple. Yarn over twice into your next stitch, yarn over and pull through, so you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, through the 2, and for the 3rd time, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, this is a fairly tall stitch, and I can honestly say in all the years I have been crocheting, which is over 30, I don't run into the triple very often. I have come across it, but I don't find, because it leaves a fairly big gap, as you can see. So in a lot of times it's used along with another stitch to make a pattern. So we're going to just keep working across here. I'll go nice and slow so you can see it. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. But yeah, like I said, it's usually used with another stitch to make a design or a pattern. It's not often used just kind of on its own and left like this. Alright, let's see here. We're getting towards the end. Yarn over twice, insert the hook, and we'll keep going. Just got a couple more left here, and I'll show you how to get up to your next row, because sometimes depending on the pattern, so please, if you come across this in a pattern, pay attention to the instructions for the turning part, because sometimes it could be a chain 3 and then, or a chain 4. So typically 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work. Some of them will say that that counts as the first and to skip this little hole and go into the next one. Or some will say that that doesn't count and you need to go in here. Alright, so we're going to just go into the next one, and I'm going to show you, oh shoot, and that happens sometimes even to those who are used to crocheting, which is very forgiving. You just go back in and keep on going. I'm going to do a couple here just so you can see what the turning part looked like, because see, and then you get the nice, I did the chain 4 and then went into this one. If you had done chain 3, chances are the pattern would have told you to go into this one here, okay, so that you don't have a gap really. So then we just keep going across. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through so that you have 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This tends to use a fair bit of yarn, so, and the stitches are pretty tall, like I said. Unravel some yarn here. There we go. So we'll get to the end of the row here and I will show you what it looks like. It uses a lot of yarn actually. In future episode I'll be showing you the puff stitch or popcorn stitch, and it uses way more, but it can make a very pretty stitch. All right, so here we go. That's 2 rows of the treble or triple crochet, and again you can see there's a fair bit of gap between the stitches. It's not as tight as the single or the half double crochet or even the double crochet. So it would be something depending on what you were using for. Even if you wanted to just make an afghan as straight out of this, make it all from the treble or triple, it wouldn't take you very long to get the length of it. So anyway, and by doing the change in rows the way we did, we have a nice even sides. So that's the treble or triple crochet. I thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and take care everybody.